CoQ10 benefits plus side effects, energy, heart, and safety guide. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you understand how this supplement is commonly used, what studies suggest, and what people usually check before trying it. If you've been searching for a clear CoQ10 benefits and side effects guide, this will give you a full overview in just a few minutes so you can make informed decisions quickly. And remember, this video is for general informational purposes only and is not medical advice. CoQ10 is a substance your body naturally makes, and it plays a key role in helping your cells produce energy. That's why people commonly use CoQ10 supplements when they're curious about energy support. Some individuals say they feel less tired or more steady throughout the day after adding it to their routine, though experiences vary. Studies also suggest that CoQ10 may support overall heart function because it's involved in energy production in the heart muscle. Again, this is general information and not a treatment for any condition. It's simply one of the most well-known reasons people look into this supplement. Another area people often ask about is antioxidant support. CoQ10 has antioxidant properties, which means it may help reduce the effects of everyday stress on cells. This doesn't mean it prevents aging or stops damage, but some research points to its potential role in maintaining overall cellular health. Many also explore CoQ10 when they take certain medications that may affect natural CoQ10 levels, but any decision like that should always be discussed with a healthcare provider. When it comes to dosage, you'll usually see supplement labels list amounts anywhere from 50 mg to 200 mg per day. Meanwhile, clinical studies often use a wide range, commonly around 100 mg to 300 mg, depending on what they're examining. These numbers aren't recommendations for you, but they give you an idea of what's typically printed in bottles and what researchers often test. Because bodies react differently, it's important for anyone considering CoQ10 to speak with a healthcare professional first, especially if they take medications, have health concerns, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Now let's talk about possible side effects because knowing both benefits and risks is essential. CoQ10 is generally considered well tolerated, but some people may experience mild issues like stomach discomfort, nausea, a sense of fullness, or trouble sleeping if taken late in the day. These effects usually pass and aren't experienced by everyone, but they're the most commonly reported. More sensitive individuals may want to ask their doctor about timing or formulation, such as regular CoQ10 versus ubiquinol, since both are available in the market. People also often ask how long it takes to notice anything. Based on user reports and study timelines, general effects, if they appear, tend to show up gradually over several weeks, not immediately. Some feel no difference, while others report slow improvements in energy or overall wellness. It varies widely, and expectations should stay realistic because the supplement doesn't act like a quick fix. Before you consider buying CoQ10, it helps to know what to look for in labels. Many bottles highlight whether the supplement uses ubiquinone or ubiquinol, which are simply two forms of CoQ10. You may also see soft gels, which are common because CoQ10 is fat-soluble. Some brands add oils to help absorption. These details don't guarantee results but can help you understand the variations you'll see on shelves. Always check the ingredients list and consult your healthcare provider if you're unsure about anything. Again, everything here is general information only. It's not medical advice, it's not meant to diagnose or treat anything, and it shouldn't replace a conversation with your doctor. CoQ10 can be a helpful topic to explore if you're curious about energy support, heart health research, or antioxidant-related studies, but the safest approach is always to get professional guidance before trying any supplement.